Wait, I'm for exactly 17:30 GMT. Good evening. The big agenda. And then you moment Asante Mante Munafi Yashidintia. Student a more Krobea Asante Technical Institute. And we have demonstration and Roma say school properties. Stay tuned. Yeah, bye. But I'm saying, I'm saying, I'm now assistant to feed to Adom TV, the big agenda, and yeah, they browy. Because Yasempa is the name. I see, I'm the original Asante Krobea Asante Technical Institute. And some students, I must say, in our school. Now, in reaction, the Ghana TV service had the release by quickly make can release in our fee. Yabekwa Manasone and the deputy director. TVET Ghana, Yanina David Pra. But according to release on the by Ghana TV service, I'm on patron say school no make closing it down. The parents will be ambe fan and coffee and no deploy personnel from the Ghana Police Service. Say omonko school mo no make sure say students in every school more. Well, about the same demonstration e course. Yan kwa humano so na fe David Pra, a deputy director Ghana TV service. Yanina twitwin komo. Well, Uncle David, what's the main cast in drink out? Well, we be able there.
Yeah, one of the doka and Jimmy Sawa, the year permit you any now. Really, I will go.
Yeah, my member officer, Panzo. Great.
I feel I'm also last year it didn't come up Krabi, and this year, it didn't come up now. I check TVET in Semo, actually, Ghana for any Mamunina.
Wait, it is well. Man, David, me patch up by a man near Banisena, school for a demonstration and ra.
Mina, as a Edikan, Miss Rawa, Manefa, Obu, any Chiama, washer for any only producers in na me mama basso, Adom TV, it was so a moody ama o my Ghana. Emra, Mini Asempa, Yanti, and Sempa, Woody, and when I'm saying, and so Krobea Asante School for the and some bonnet, and 7 summer and some fata, and to assume ena, or more, no, Mudi. Said the cry, I can say, and one principal, any teacher for a friend, Director General, Ramos need a quality, a bona mania, say, Yamra Sam demonstration, via a course school home, school from Quarano. Aqua Cosseste and Yoma Basa, I was school. I said, Castle more than a do. Any Osha classroom, or my papa, Luba Blaze, or my course stores. And we are near, and why Nama, ye na ye bompire, and another Kufado, Adaroma, Bichum, Adaroma, Minister for Education, and Rama was in the call, with the Adaroma, Yenya. And you are kakra through buffer stock, Yadiama school for now school for young Casanso through demonstration, Aqua, Kotuka, Kotokua, Mone, Brone, Garine, beans, wom, Omershini, Negu, bags, I could be pray, and oil gallons or much church, Nina, I say, school. Nina, and Sama, and Tasum cry. Now, Mr. a preliminary investigation. A school for say, principal, and teacher for her empany, Emma, Sabi, and Soga, or more a chrono, or an answer Musina channel, or Mampenema, or Mamma chrono. Now, we know, and ya asama a to assume we condemn this behavior in no uncertainty. E be bia ne ho a ebe ma school ni kwan se wo de mra be hye won sem akosese aban ne oman ejapade e wo school ho eno de me de se posifo no atre be eduna na nenim a ye guso omo ye screening na wo a wo hunim no ye yi wo a wo de the way gina court na emra no anyway di esa say a criminal offense say wo school ni obekwa ko say nyoma to the level or more aye.
Well, David Okasana was a student, you know, almost your man Makwaima, almost seniors, and more in examination. Does it mean say level saying now more a demonstration way from saying for?
Many I wish the woman say more never say second year or more or any third year or more year 5. International say first year in my or more no more 3 years no more echo into second and 3rd years na osha omo edisa enyamra sami and you know the emrane kadiano na ye ne omo be
and to battle shema school for bed do was saying a demonstration the omo ye
critically no wouldn't me emfa won sense so pe say do say the school no is there about 1,400 plus into a school esopa enye class school into idea omusha predominantly no omoye boys no na omo edisa into omo kra no pay investigation kakana tese omo no HC man di kra so omo enfi of course man no yedede na ehu omo nti mema no pa na sade na mamen kan to just say the Minister for Education Ura Dr. Oseya Odichum, very fantastic excellent minister any Ura Mausini Doko Awuti the most hardworking chief executive ayewo who say mpelifo etu anamon pa omo ne another dynamic regional minister honorable Simon Osemesa asset up committee and then you may know regional minister and the committee no but the Ghana investigation it's a mudo coffee ya shemuna yehu me no ka say no me nansi kwaso amiko kumase na ta say yakọ Krobea Asante we askore sujase na yetimi akohwehwe nsema ekoso over enyen sempem
okay
bibia abetuja
and today David was say about 40 students in the action of Mosanity here
per our reporter the original acting director TV service and the deputy team no omodi maye no and you know ye be corner yakọ asekeni then we can come out with concrete numbers to see more police in Sema then we can see the screening and omo ehun nim no police for no beja mo no mako na mo hu wo media wo yakora said them cry na wetime ko disa disseminate nyanka nyamra se media and emra no and obedi papa
and you can say the next omo action mo nyina mo police for nsem yes sir
sanete omo ewo police for nsem it's answer emra na yeso mo munti the level of distraction no too serious say school for nkwara pa betimi asay properties no mu wie kra no kasi omo papa principal ni teachers forecast buses kase sia buses yenye di class schools bia pay school bus na school quiet mi ko papa buses glasses na na omo de abobu bomma buses essay yeah let's just say ya dia abrono too much I don't know the level of wickedness a bank cry muma omutimi yes adiwe inti ye corner akodomu esikopa na ye bema etiefo ne ahwefo ni obibia ganafo ina no ehu de womna de emra no enso eka no na ya yetimi ediso de adeba ko ampese me katudwa ne se enye se child rights activist we obedu hono na ma be kansem say say yankata sa child rights for the human rights way na dinano so mo kan ya ho na ni etimi tete enkwara no na omu enya sa odo ene nyansa no di omu nyuma no mo de boa oman no ma oman ni tumpo na mo ntwan mankwara ni pe ni oman nyese na if asutri bi o wa then you come out to say so hard-handedness and you say I don't think say no ebuama omano ekoso. It's unfortunate these things are going on.
David, two more questions. Okay, so David, two more questions. Now, properties are saying and what me cost who said,
Minya Asempa, Namia Duma, is on a Dikakan, Ochina, team no echo, respect, Asante Regional Security Council, Asset Apple, dear Qua, your fire service name, estate before name, your TV service, now, can one bonum, or more nim, valuation, or my costume, Nana. Then I have the similar belief, say, the Minister for Education, as we indicated, Obia was say a school near Mediano. They will be made to pay because it should serve as a deterrent.
Finally, David, you jam more because say school no more closing it down. How soon? Now my dream say and she say come out to me be school.
If you see another security situation, we cannot guarantee say a man corona abba school no sisia. It's answered your moye no. O ma say your ma classroom Luva Blaze link on one and Yama baby o ma say no. No, we need to cost it and then get it provided and sana school yet maybe ma.
Well, David Pryor, that's the we wish you well. David Pryor, Deputy Director, Ghana TV Service. You see, I know joining Adom TV, the big agenda, Jumedia, Krobea Asante Technical Institute, maybe Asante region, about 40 students. And I'm back here on demonstration. I say school properties. Well, Yankwa Humanasubi Onafe, Sadiq Chum, I join here, security analyst. Sadiq, what's your main car? Good evening. Bibi Aboko there.
Good evening.
Great. I hope so, Bibi Aboko there. And to Sadiq, your initial reaction to the SC or Krobea Asante Technical Institute?
Yeah, my reaction, David Ekansiano. I'm saying, especially about this Child Rights International outfit. No, I mean, maybe say, Sanya ye border far a different homegrown violent extremism. No. And I'm more ben on one kasa omuso mutu afahun because these are some of the signs of radicalization by violent extremist groups. Because we share the numbers, 40 students. When I'm so mobilize you, Obeka say a beer or more for codie, but when I'm so mobilize you to the extent say better fight as a senior. And the results are how does that one concern you? As an individual, I work school so there. Or much show whether they learn or not. So what is the intent of this young guys? Causes such a havoc. Now I bring in now better now I train. Now your man says I now it's a moment out the right and the needed punishment then we are talking about human rights. And school, no, as a body, also has a right. And I think that those are the things that are enshrined in the law because the school can be sued and it can sue. So the school equally has a right. So is it in the right of the children, say, they should go on this rampaging style and destroy things to that level? And what is child rights saying? That they are what? I mean, sometimes we need to hold on to our values system. We need to hold on to our morals, the good morals that when you normally and not necessarily now who say impose say better fight as or minor say you subscribe to other international treaties. It say who say and then they can I do
well, Sadiq, and your man what they can say linking it to violent extremism. This is not the first time our demonstration. I recall time I was secondary school, meeting demonstrations upon demonstrations at school properties. So, must say, why the link at this time?
Yes, why the link at this time? Because who say, the demonstrations, the levels of demonstrations now you see with the current security situations is not the same. One, your time na social media any honum sa. Now, my mama want to be, we share their SEO. Capitol Hill, about 700 people were mobilized. Aside through social media, their SEO Nigeria, how millions of people were mobilized through social media. Now, social media space, one society, a lot of things are happening there, and these young ones are the most consumers within that space. Now, and one sooner, right now, no, this radicalized groups such as ISIS, Boko Haram, and the rest, no, this is where they are influencing ideologies of young ones. In idea, first, no levels, and then the degree is high because there's a new understanding of say obi PBB and a corner first or the better. There's a new faith crown, and I'm link it to the violent extremism, because it is a clear act of a sign of radicalism.
Well, Dr. Sadichum, okay, the NHS we should expect other demonstrations also in some other schools.
No, but let's look at last year. Demonstrations in a course from secondary schools to universities, and then look at the quantum of distraction. Now, if for instance you look at what we call the Arab Spring issues, these are some of the underlying factors. So for me, as a country, we should not think that these are young children who want to show their displeasure towards something. As I say, you look into beyond that, and me perceive. Mr. and the messages Asante Regional Security Council say, I say, Omuluku beyond. Now, Omoya investigations very well to get the intent of these children. There may be some influences somewhere. For me, it is a sign of that level of radicalism that, as I say, as a minor, yes, son, and sana, I didn't say mukra.
Dr. Sadiq Chum, thank you. That's a joining here with your for a security analyst while joining our Krobea Asante Technical Institute in the Ashanti region. And more from our demonstration, I say school properties. Well, the activity phone lines, the NGO Agenture 0302 211 701 and our 0302 211 702 0302 211 703. Well, numbers in our screen also. And to me, our friend, after you have to think of Moses. So now, while joining us, this is the big agenda. Well, me check whether we have a caller on the line. Now, into me, 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703. Some of the messages are about making kind of a. Well, sir, you ever pick a call. So this one says, good evening, Asempa. I'm watching you live. In fact, what a student did is, and I saw, is very appalling, and they must be punished. Okay, well, I see me. And we say, so Asempa, currently, where are the students? Well, we told you, our police if one them. As to exactly police station on what you mean. Well, Seth is on the line. Seth, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Seth, be Biaboko there.
Right. I'm calling from Tamale.
Okay, Seth, let's hear you.
I'm a teacher myself.
Oh, okay, great.
You know, this is becoming unbecoming. You see what happened the other time? A student were exalting the whole presence of the land. Something must be done. The system is failing, my boss. Our big men must do something about this. Thank you so much.
Seth, thank you as well. Bismarck, good evening. Hello, Bismarck. Too bad, MC. I'm sure Bismarck wa homano so 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 and 0302 211 703. Over to me, a friend, Yanchitrain and Komo. We say Asempa. Well, currently, I am told that the children are in the custody. Okay, well, this is an information. I don't know how, whether indeed it's true. Well, Yanfa Rainbow. Rainbow, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. But you're into you.
I want to come on the program.
Sure, you're live on the program, sir.
Is it?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
I can hear you. Please talk to me, sir.
Is it not Adom?
Yes, it's Adom TV. You're live on the program.
So, yeah, I want to speak about the demonstration that went on.
Please go ahead.
In fact, if you look at the level of damage caused by the students, it's very serious. But all the same, the children didn't act correctly. But there is a need for us to investigate the school authorities why the children also acted that way. There is a root cause to why the children acted that way. In fact, for the act of the students, it's condemned entirely. We don't agree to the vandalism and then the damages caused. But I believe that the school authorities also need to be investigated.
Thank you, sir. Aduchumwa, good evening.
Pacho, good evening.
Bacho Boko there.
Pacho, Uncle Pardon.
Aduchumwa, yentio.
Me Pacho, Uncle Dio Mayeno. Metro sent Penny for you, Munchimu pa. We were school last year. School I'm women boarding, we've been to the Dr. Kaka.
Okay.
And she says for no headmistress or diamond. As it is, Cabin common the boy and Sarana, you didn't kunim a one social name. Nan so much is can away no Uncle Bata or Moody TV. And in the big number said the cry. Sabina, I happen to school and when you and crown so a day as necessary for education.
Well, Aduchumwa, thanks for the information. I think so. Pick up now for your dear trash. Vivian, good evening.
Evening.
Vivian Bacho Boko there.
Pacho.
You Bacho until.
But I don't wear any cra any. I was a misfire by I don't wear any because Diana would do school. Nyama, oh, yeah. A jare nyama spoon baby amuda was standing na and yes amubesa into munja any a futuma adagu
Mate made a sippy, why so frey. A Jacob and some drink out.
And also, Papa.
You were jump at your tail.
Okay. Hello.
A jump at your tail.
I'm a Jimmy Sam, Abata Abofra Kumaho. In Tian Swaba, a bay year for one more. Some of Fanny and Tioma, Sa Nebeko Swaba. If you say Sani again, Uncle Pansam, Uncle Pansam, I don't know a control Yenina, it will be us. And the Demi me can yan Fanny and Tiam of Fan one your more de Biara. And a bit me a boy.
A Jacob and some drink out. I see me faster than my DBS Industries Limited. I'm going to say, I say, yeah, the big agenda, Jimmy, bro. DBS, attitude, when you're my son, say Ghana for in more how I'm from this year. Obi Abesida in DBS, me pacho from 0800 626262 0800 626262. Where's your semper big agenda? Good evening.